the month of November, I made it a goal to myself to start washing my face twice a day again. But I'm so lazy. No, I took it out, so I will put it to good use. I am happy to say that I have finally caught up to all the work I had to do for this class.
Done, 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 done.
wants to add to that is because you got together and you talked about ideas, and you got together and talked about ideas in these literary groups, etc. 450 clubs and 200 publications. If you were,
I'm making it a goal for 2021 to start weight training. In terms of my workout routines, I usually stick to Pilates and doing fun cardio dance stuff, but recently I've been doing some research about how to gain muscle mass, and I want to try out some weightlifting. I've tried doing weightlifting a little in the past, but I have not stuck to it. I don't know why, but this time I'm gonna give it another shot. And right now I'm very, very weak, so I'm sticking with some resistance bands first so I can build up my strength, and then I can move on to actual weights. I printed out this coloring page to complete for Halloween. It's currently November 6th. It's never too late to celebrate Halloween.
Here comes the moon. Hey.